Hello everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and today I am going to share how you can make a tasty and healthy recipe from an everyday snack, the upma. I will start the recipe by making the upma, and for that in a pan, here I am taking 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and when the oil is warm, I will add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger and green chilies. Next, I will add half a cup of finely chopped onions and cook them till translucent. When the onions are cooked, add 1/4 cup of chopped carrots, half a cup of chopped cauliflowers, 2 tablespoons of chopped green beans, 1/4 cup of green peas, and 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes. Mix all the vegetables nicely and cook them till half done. Then I am going to add salt to taste, around 1/4 teaspoon for both the vegetables and the semolina that I am going to add later. Next, 3 to 4 pinches of turmeric powder, then 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder. Unlike the upma, adding spices to this recipe will make it different and tasty. Now fry the vegetables for a minute and add 1 cup of raw semolina or the suji. Cook the semolina with the vegetables for 1 more minute. Make the upma as you make. Just skip the curry leaves and mustard seeds that you add initially. Add salt if needed and finally pour water. Make sure to add less than required amount of water as we are not making the proper upma. Adding less water will give the semolina the right consistency and will help to form the cake. Once done, add finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a mix, turn up the stove and transfer the upma onto a plate when it's hot. This semolina recipe is simple to make and is delicious. Set it properly and refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours. After 2 hours, this looks perfect and has set properly. Cut the upma into desired pieces. Here I will cut them into squares or rectangles and keep them aside. Finally, in a non-stick pan, take 2 more tablespoons of cooking oil and pan fry the upma pieces. Semolina has a property of soaking up oil, so avoid deep frying. But feel free to bake or air fry them to make them even more healthy. Once done, take them out and serve hot with ketchup or yogurt. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food. I'm sure you enjoyed the recipe. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.